Yeah. Hey guys, it's Lemon 343. We're gonna be playing with my friend here, Tyler and Kobe, and we're playing on Area 51. Tyler, I have not spawned in the lot. Tyler, where are you? Follow me. I know where all the parts are. I know where all. Alright, I know where all of them are. Stay with me, Tyler, like always, man. Alright, Tyler, the crane room. Was there one in here before? Yeah, right there. He's like on the wall. That's the one. Alright, we found one. Someone grab it. I don't know. People, stay with me. Alright, there was, I think, if we go straight, no, make a right. Because I think, if you remember last time, we came into through the left door, we're like, oh shit. Slenderman's close enough to us, so let's go through here, I guess. I don't like splitting up, but splitting up makes it bad. Make a left. What is that? Submarine room. Alright. I think we're close to the jail cell. That's why I hear noises right now. Or is that just dude, that's not always a tape. That's not always a tape. That's a minion too. They make those noises. Submarine room. Look left and right just in case you see shit happening. I don't know. Wow. I have more visual. Yeah. I tried to just talk. Alright, I'm waiting. Alright, let's go, Tyler, come on. Follow our same track, bro. Our same track, man. I hope we can beat this as normal. Same fucking track we can do. Alright, Alright, I think we went in here. That's what I remember, but I'm not trying that again. Remember? Okay, here's Boyd. I think he's in there. Guys, am I looking slow, or is it? Dude, if you get killed in this map, you can get killed so easily. The corners are not that fun. Corners, there's too many corners. Alright, this is the same room that you worked out with. Same goddamn entrance. Oh, jail cell? Alright, there has to be a... What was that? Dude, I'm not bugging out, but I saw a freaking guy right there standing. No, it was an actual big guy standing. Don't welcome me. Alright. Where's the corruption? I got it. Alright, hold on. Can you guys stay out? Alright, can you guys stay outside the jail cell right now? Just like, right here. Because I'll grab the one that's in here. Hold on. Right here. It's in here. I got it. It was in here. What the hell? Did it move? It moved. I think it's this one. Tyler, where the fuck are you? Hello? Oh my god, you guys are so far away from me. Don't do that. I know when they're behind me, dude. I hear voices. My shit is so flash right now. I hear everything. Like, my crap is on 70 volume. It's on the highest crap right now. Alright, just find... I'm making a right turn. Oh! Containment room! This way. Alex, don't. I found the containment room. The containment room? I made a right turn. Left turn, left turn, left turn, left turn. Mine is not. And here, make a right turn. Oh God! Fuck you! He's in there, he's in there. I'm making a right turn right, oh no, closed door. Tyler, was that the only entrance? Was that the only? You know what, I'm going back. I'm doing the fucking man. Fuck entering cars, bitch. Come on, bitch. Alright, where was the radio? Oh yeah, Tom, remember, Yumi died here. Remember, because we won? Where was the radio again? It was around here somewhere. Got it! I was on the wall, on the wall, on the wall. Oh, the medical room? Oh yeah, that creepy shit medical room. There's like the bodies on the tables and shit. Oh my god, guys, go straight, follow me, just follow me, always. Alright, that noise is not the radio, just telling you that. Make a left, alright, dude, the care package room. Alright, this is what I mean. Maybe if there is, dude, oh god, I'm going straight to, I fucking hate. Wait, what's in these rooms? Is this the medical room too? I'm trying it out. Is it? Hey guys, I think that this is the medical room. Is it, Tyler? I don't know. Let's go in here. No, what's this? Train station. Wait, was there something at the train station? Yeah, but it leads somewhere else, right? I guess. Oh god, it's on the right. He's on the right side. Oh, I hear. Yeah, I'm saying, it's not here, it's not here, it's the other side. Don't make a left, just go fucking right. Oh my god, what are you doing? Alright, just walk a few feet down. You should be gone now. Right? Right, Mr. Slenderman? Slenderman, I know you like chicken McNuggets. Please come out, please. Dude, don't look. Oh my god, oh my god, what are you doing? Just keep going straight, we'll lose them. Alright, we'll go through here, we'll make a right turn. Alright, let's go now. Dip, I'm dipping right on you, shit. Go through here, this is where me and Tyler got. This is where like, oh god, I can't cross, but I just could. Alright, there's 3 rooms over here that I remember that has still come. Wait, we didn't cross? Wait, was there a room back there? Was there? Let's go back there. Huh? Oh my god. Stop. No, flash, please. Oh god, he's close. He's close. Oh my god. No, guys, make a circle. Go back around. I think we have to go to that door. My shit, dude. Guys, it just said that my... God, he's in the left. I hear that. It's right there. He's right there. Oh my god. Guys, my flashlight broke. It's telling me that I can't place it anymore. It broke on me. It won't work. No, mine just... Dude, I'm pressing X like crazy right now. My god. I'm going to... Hey, what the hell? Turn it back on. What's down here? What is... Please be something. Oh my god, I'm dead! I'm dead! Goodbye world. Goodbye, I'm dead. Guys, I'm at the train station and I'm dead. Oh, I kept walking straight down the road to the train station. No, almost. And he's behind me. Oh my... Tyler? It's dangerous to go alone. Oh god, Tyler, you're far away from me. Fuck me! Oh, hi! I died right here. I'll find you guys the rooms. I died. Rocket room right here. Rocket room. Rocket room. Did you guys grab the radio in this place? Guys, there's a radio. There was a radio in this room. Make a left. I want you guys getting killed. Make a left. All right, we're back in this locker shit room. I think. Wait, was this ever? Is this a spawn point? Make a left again, and make a right. I'm trying to help you guys. Oh, guys, that's where we spawned. That locker place, thingy, shiggy, wiggy. That's where we spawned. Just letting you guys know that. It's in this room, I guess. Oh, make a left. Checking in the other room. A lot of fucking rooms in the locker room. How many rooms in the lockers? Jesus. What is that sign? What sign is that? What sign is that? What sign? I never seen that. Well, wait a minute. Oh, guys, next room over here, next room. I wasn't sure I heard the train station. Whoa, what the? What? Careful, this room you can get shitted on really heavy. It's saying, wait, alright, that wall is saying medical room. So you're saying that the next room is the medical room, I guess? Yup, it was the next room. It was. It's right here. Just grab it. You guys are gonna get shitted on now. He's coming. You know the funny thing? It's not easy. It's normal, but follow me, I guess. I don't hear shit, dude. My shit is so loud. I don't hear the wind. Make a left. Guys, we're back in this huge generator compact room. We're in this big generator room again. Wait, guys, is there a minion in this room? No, he's in this room somewhere. I don't see shit. Alright, you guys go forward and find shit. I'll make a right and see if I can find anything in this room. I will always find you guys, no matter what, but, you know. Are you guys heading to the submarine room? Because that's where I'm heading to. I'm heading towards the submarine room, just telling you guys that. Guys, look behind you. I'm coming in your ass. Tyler, over here, guys, over here, behind you. Make a left over here. Calm room. Make a left turn if you enter a room like that. No, just keep on going. You might make a right turn, and you might make a right turn. There's a minion in the middle of the damn thingy. Don't look at it. The radio is not on this side. It's in the other side. I'm telling you that. Other side. Guys, the radio is on the steel pipes. Find steel pipes. It's on. Just. Where the hell is it? I found it before in this room. Oh, it's over here, dude. Wow. It's over here. It's on this damn stupid ass wall. Keep on walking, you're good over here. Keep on walking straight now, just walk your shit ass straight. It's over here, just keep, it's on the steel pipe. Wait, did we find, guys, we did not find the computer lab at all. You guys didn't find the computer lab yet. I hear something. What's that? The jail cell? Is that a jail cell? Okay, I've never seen this one before. Don't go back. That's a back. You don't want to go there. Hey, no. Don't, Tyler. Are you freaking? Just go in there. I swear to God. Good luck seeing that shit. That's a minion right there. There's a minion right there. Make a left. It's all good. Just make a damn left. Alright guys, I hear voices. There's a radio. I hear voices. When I hear voices, I know that's a radio somewhere. See, look. If we go right, there's a contact room or some shit. Oh! I found the library! The library room, dude. There's a radio in here. Yo, I hear... I fucking hear static in here. That's a radio. That's a fucking static. It's getting louder and louder. It's over here. I found it. Yay! I found it. It's over here, guys. Right there. You got it. Right there. It's on the wall. We're inside the damn library still. The stand crafting thingy wingy. Yeah, there you are. Hey, man. Oh god, I hate rooms like this. Hey, wait, make a right turn. Oh, do not look left, don't look like that. That's a minion. Dude, there was not... He's right there somewhere. Okay, never mind. I found the spaceship. Never mind. That's nothing. It's nothing. Nothing. That's nothing. 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 Over here. We're in the middle. Behind you. Dude. Right here. Make a left turn, dude. Wait, it's a teapot. It's a teapot room. Keep going straight. I think this is the last one, guys. It's a teapot room, is it? Alright, let's try to find that damn generator thing computer room you said. Alright then, we'll make a right turn. Alright, jail cell. Keep walking through the jail cell, I'm gonna make a left. Hold my let's keep on playing, this is kind of fun. Don't go left, that's just... For me, it dies out for like a reason. Fucking retarded. I think it was the flashes for me. You know, like my light, it blinks too much. I think it broke the light bulb and it just came back on. What the fuck? All right, what room is this? Is this a big gen room? All right, that's a submarine room. Keep on going straight. Yo, tower's too behind, right? Actually. They go the other way, make a circle, because there's an entrance around the circle. He's in front of you! Oh, calm room. Alright, wait guys, follow me in. Listen. What's in here? Calm room? Oh, submarine. Okay, calm room, let me think. We'll make a right turn. I think we enter the calm. Calm room! We're done. Gang. Everyone go in circles. Go around. I hear it. It's over here, guys. Follow me. I hear it. It's getting louder and louder on me. It's here. Somewhere. Look on the metal barriers or something. Where the fuck is it? Yes! Game! Now you guys turn to a monster. Watch and see. It does that. Watch and see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It does that because you get them all and you turn to the monster. Wow, in the memory of Mercury, 11 minutes. I only did one stream from that, shit. I did the most meters, that's funny. I did one stream still. Alright, let's get a replay. I gotta see the replay this time, shit. The jail cell, trying to find. See, look, I was doing everything with that jail cell shit. I got creeped out. I got Barker. Watch, I got shitted again. I went back on the train station again. I shitted. See, I got killed. See, I was like, crap. I got killed up there, and I was trying to find you this shit. Yo, Tyler, doesn't this look like a map? Like, wow, I was right there the entire time. Alright guys, I was on my 343, and see you guys next time.